Hi, I'm going to talk a little bit about this. It's not an Optivisor, although it looks like it. Plastic lenses, little headlight, that's cute. An extra lens that flips up, locks in place, that increases the magnification. This also increases the magnification, and you're looking at a focal range somewhere in this area right here. Not really too bad for $10. This looks like the more expensive welder's helmets you've seen around, and a plastic headband here, and it flips up out of your way so you can look with your normal eye. Turn on the light, that works. You can actually aim the light a little bit. Anyways, cute. AA batteries, a couple of AA's in there. All this for $10 plus shipping. Now I bought this. What the heck, it's only $10. And it works pretty good. I'm pleased with it.